Guys, welcome back to Sister Forever, and today I'm here with a delicious mutton curry recipe. For this recipe, you will need mutton, onion, sliced onion, tomatoes, whole tomatoes without skin. You'll need cilantro for garnishing. You'll need cumin seeds with red chili, crushed red chili. You'll need ginger garlic powder. You'll need oil. And for this masala, the spices we have mixed together are salt, coriander, turmeric, cumin, ginger, garlic, green cardamom, and black pepper. And they're all powders. Heat the oil and add the onions until they're golden brown. Oh, there we go. Now we're going to Now it's time to add tomatoes. Our delicious mutton curry is ready. It smells so good and it looks amazing. Please do try this recipe, and you can serve it with your favorite butter naan or chapati. And make sure to like, subscribe, and turn post notifications so you get notified every time I post another video. Thank you for watching our video, and make sure to share with friends and family.